Hello, how are you? Today I'm going to talk to you about an incredible mixture for your health made of clove and bay leaf. You will love it for sure. The taste is amazing. These are two very cheap ingredients, easy to have at home, and very common in our daily lives. And I will tell you, including how to make this mixture in a way to further optimize the benefits. Stay until the end because you won't want to miss it. If you love tips on nutrition, health, and fitness, you will love the channel. So take the opportunity and subscribe. Remember to activate the bell to receive notifications. I have a new video every day. You will love it. Let's talk about this great mix of bay leaf and clove. Remember that I have a playlist here on the channel with other healthy combinations of spices, herbs, and seasonings that can help you bring more health to your daily life. Tell me if there's any mix you make in your daily life, such as garlic with ginger, lemon with clove, or perhaps something else. So let me know if there's any mix you like to make and what you use it for in your daily life. I would love to see your comment here. And if you like these tips on mixing two ingredients to have an even better effect, give it a like so I know you enjoyed it, and I'll bring more good combination ideas for you. The first major benefit of this mix is improving blood sugar control. Clove greatly helps improve glucose absorption by muscle cells without relying on insulin. It can also help improve insulin sensitivity. So Digestion itself, which is naturally present in clove, has many effects related to blood sugar control. So it makes perfect sense to add this mix. In fact, studies have found that consuming bay leaf tea can help prevent the onset of type 2 diabetes in some people and keep blood sugar levels more stable. When we say this, of course, we have to speak responsibly because obviously diabetes can have various causes. It can be related to genetics, lifestyle, diet, physical activity, and other related issues. So, of course, consuming this mix of clove and bay leaf is not a free pass for you to neglect your health, diet, and lifestyle. If you want more tips on good blood sugar control, remember that I have a playlist here all about diabetes, which is not just for diabetics. There are many tips for those who are not diabetic and for those who are pre-diabetic as well. So I will leave this playlist below in the description for you. When we talk about this mixture, this combination of bay leaf with clove, the first thing that comes to my mind is digestion. We know that bay leaf plays a significant role in digestion. It helps in the elimination of gases and it aids the digestive process, making digestion happen more quickly and effectively. Clove, on the other hand, has a very interesting role in improving the production of mucus by the stomach, which provides greater protection for the stomach and prevents gastritis and other problems related to stomach acidity. So if you are looking for a blend to improve your digestion, the health of your stomach, and even your intestines through good digestion, this mixture is perfectly suited to your daily routine. Due to the large amount of antioxidant agents and their significant anti-inflammatory role, they also greatly help to improve the immune system and reduce inflammation in our body, as well as decrease damage from free radicals. Bay leaves contain many vitamins in their composition and many antioxidants. Cloves contain eugenol, which is a well-known super antioxidant, in addition to several other antioxidant and anti-inflammatory components. So if you want to improve your immunity, if you want to reduce inflammation in your body, sometimes you don't have inflammation, for example, in your back or knee, but you have chronic low-grade inflammation, difficulty losing weight, you are always catching colds, and diseases keep appearing. Remember that there is a video here talking about the symptoms of chronic low-grade inflammation that you don't even realize you have. I'll leave it in the description below for you. But if you are more inflamed and want to reduce this inflammation, know that this mixture will help you a lot. This mixture of bay leaf and clove also has a significant antibacterial role, meaning it helps reduce the population of harmful bacteria in our body. Many people already know this, so much so that there are many who, for example, chew clove to prevent mouth ulcers, to avoid bad breath, or due to some other oral health related issue. Some people gargle with bay leaf tea for all these benefits, but making this mixture will also provide you with this antibacterial effect more broadly throughout the entire digestive tract where it comes into contact. Thus, it reduces the population of harmful bacteria in our body, which ends up being very beneficial for our health in a broader sense. So The way to combine these two beneficial ingredients and extract more benefits from them is definitely through tea. But to prepare this tea, it should be done in 2 steps. First, you will take the cloves, usually about 3 cloves, and put them in a full glass of water and let it boil for at least 10 minutes. Then you remove it from the heat and place it in your cup with a bay leaf and cover it to infuse, allowing the exchange of active compounds to occur. Then you remove the bay leaf, remove the cloves, and you can drink it. You can drink it warm because the taste is quite pleasant with a strong clove flavor, but if you prefer, you can let it cool down and add more water, making it like a flavored water. You can add plenty of ice to drink it in the summer, which makes it very good. This even encourages you to drink more liquid, so you will have made it with 1 cup, but you can add about 3 more cups of water, for example, and drink it throughout the day to gain more benefits, even for hydration. Of course, if we are thinking about reducing inflammation, improving antioxidant capacity, and decreasing the growth of harmful bacteria, we are not going to sweeten it. So there's no need to add any type of sugar because it has a pro-inflammatory role and also helps the growth of harmful bacteria in our body, in our mouth, in our intestines. Therefore, the ideal is to drink it pure, especially since the taste is quite pleasant, and indeed there's no need to sweeten it. If you want to know more about these powerful ingredients, I have a video talking more about bay leaf tea and another video discussing clove tea, because I brought here the synergistic effects they have, which are complementary. But of course, bay leaf tea is useful for many other things related to health, and clove tea as well. So if you want to learn more about them separately, I will leave these videos below so this video doesn't become too long and tiring. Remember that I also have a playlist on the channel talking more about teas for your health, home remedies for everyday use, and I will leave it in the description below for you. Of course, you can also use this mixture for cooking. So depending on what you're going to prepare, cloves and bay leaves go very well together. For example, in pork, it's a very good combination, and even in some stews or braised vegetables. Remember that the tea ends up being a more practical way to incorporate it into your daily routine. But these 2 ingredients are spices, and even cloves are used in the East to prepare savory dishes. Many people think more about desserts, but in the East it is widely used in vegetables, meats, even game meat and pork. So think about increasing the spices, improving this variety a bit, because this will also bring more benefits to you. Tell me down below how you usually make your spice mixes in your daily routine, which one is your favorite, and how you incorporate it. I would love to see your comment. Remember to like the video as it helps me a lot, and share it with those who will enjoy it and those who need it. Let's together expand this chain of good, which is what I want here with the channel. See you next time. Bye.